These are only a few names of the typhoons that we heard from televisions and radios for the past years. These are also few of the typhoons that struck the Philippines and left the Filipinos with damaged properties, broken livelihood, and loss of lives due to massive flooding. Given that the Philippines is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world, the national government, through the Department of Science and Technology, initiated a program that will help the Filipinos in mitigating the risks and threats that these fortuitous events may bring. This is the Phil-LiDAR 1, or the Hazard Mapping of the Philippines using LiDAR program. This program is funded by the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development of the Department of Science and Technology, or PSURE-DOST, and implemented nationwide by several state universities and colleges and higher education institutions for 3 years starting 2014. One of these program's component projects is the CSU Phil-LiDAR 1, also known as LiDAR Data Processing and Validation in Mindanao, Caraga region, which is being implemented by Caraga State University under the College of Engineering and Information Technology. CSU Phil-LiDAR 1 is composed of 3 teams: the Data Processing Team, Field Survey Team, and the Flood Modeling Team. The main element of the project is the use of the light detection and ranging, or LiDAR technology. LiDAR is an instrument that directly measures the 3D location of an object. It is a downward-looking instrument installed in an aircraft which carries out the surveying and mapping procedures of the ground's topography, acquiring high-resolution datasets. These acquired LiDAR data, accompanied with ground validation datasets, which are gathered by the field survey team, will then be processed by the data processing team to produce a digital surface model and a digital terrain model. These will then be used by the flood modeling team to produce flood models and hazard maps that will aid the national and local governments and the Filipinos in preparing for an upcoming flood event. For the project's first year of implementation, CSU Phil-LiDAR 1 covered the river basins of Cabadbaran, Mainit-Tubay, and Tago. These river basins include the major areas of 10 cities and municipalities within Caraga region. These are the city of Cabadbaran and the municipalities of Tubay, Santiago, Habonga, and Quetcharao of Agusan del Norte, the municipalities of Alegria, Tubod, and Mainit of Surigao del Norte, and the municipalities of Tago and San Miguel of Surigao del Sur. The floodplain areas of these river basins are now being produced with digital surface model and digital terrain model, and are now being utilized for flood model development, water level forecasting, and hazard map generation. These 2015, the project's areas of concern will be the river basins of Tandag, Hobo-Otieza, Hinatuan, and Bislim. CSU Phil-LiDAR 1 will need close cooperation and coordination from the local government units of the municipalities of San Agustin, Barobo, Tagbina, and Hinatuan, and the cities of Tandag, and Bislig for the completion of the activities that will be conducted in the said river basins. Also, starting this year, the project will be developing an application called Web-Based Near Real-Time Flood Event Visualization and Damage Estimations or Flood Evidence. This application will automate the impacts that a certain flooding event brings to an area in near real time. It includes the automated counting of the number of households, establishments, and all other structures, including the corresponding population, which may be affected in the occurrence of flooding. CSU Phil-LiDAR office is located at room P105 Science and Technology Building, Caraga State University, Main Campus, Ampayon, Butuan City. For more information and updates about the project, you may visit the CSU Phil-LiDAR website at www.carsolidar1.wordpress.com.